In this lesson, we will once again work on recalling good deeds you've done in the past. But this time, we will focus on recalling as many good deeds as you can, rather than just focusing on one single act of kindness. So, when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, breathing in the clean, calm, refreshing air, and breathing out any thoughts or worries. Using just a light focus, bring your mind to the center and recall an act of kindness you did that you feel good about. Now, begin to remember all the good and beneficial things you did for others throughout your life. Include everything from volunteering to giving someone a birthday gift to helping a friend get through a hard time. As you recall these moments, feel the happiness that radiates from your center, from the good you have done. Let your mind bask in this feeling of wholesomeness. Expand this feeling and positive energy to envelop the entirety of your body. Feel that you're resting and floating in this positive energy. We call this technique resting in the sea of merit. Merit is a positive energy that fills the mind with feelings of joy when doing wholesome deeds. As we rest in the sea of merit, let us now continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath as we start to come out of our meditation. Gently opening your eyes and beginning to move at your own pace. Resting in the sea of merit is one of the best techniques to make your mind joyful and at peace. Here, you're acknowledging and recalling the good you've done, so you feel content about your life. This technique is generally recommended right before bed as a way to clear your mind of any lingering worries of unfinished work and set up your mind with a feeling of accomplishment and satisfaction. That way, you can drift into sleep with a happy and pure mind. Try giving it a shot right before bed the next time you have the chance.